Most people think they know their car inside and out, but what if I told you it's hiding secret features you've never used, never noticed, or maybe never even heard of? These aren't aftermarket add-ons or risky hacks, they're built in, engineered by the manufacturer and just waiting to make your driving life easier, safer, or a whole lot cooler. From switches that make braking a breeze, to compartments designed for things you've been storing all wrong, to settings that feel like they belong in a sci-fi movie. We're about to pull back the curtain on 12 genius features you didn't know your car had. And trust me, number 7 is the one you'll wish you'd known about years ago. Before we unlock them all, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss what's hiding inside your own vehicle. Never pull into a gas station and forget which side your fuel filler is on? Most people hop out, walk around and check, or worse, guess, and have to awkwardly reposition. But nearly every car built in the last 2 decades hides a tiny clue right in plain sight, a small arrow on your fuel gauge. Look closely at the gas pump icon on your dash. Next to it, you'll see an arrow pointing left or right. That arrow tells you exactly which side the fuel cap is on. No memorization, no wrong turns. This is especially handy if you're driving a rental car, borrowing a friend's ride, or even picking up a new vehicle for the first time. It's one of those features that feels like a magic trick when you first learn it, but after that, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. You've probably used your sun visor to block glare from the front, but did you know many cars have an extendable section or a hidden side panel? Here's the trick. Flip the visor down, then gently slide it toward the windshield or pull out the secondary panel tucked inside. On some cars, you can also detach it from its mount and swing it over to the side window, then extend it even further to block that annoying gap sunlight always seems to find. Manufacturers rarely advertise this. It's not flashy, but it can make a huge difference on long drives when the sun is low and relentless. Toyota, Honda, Ford, and many others quietly include this in everyday models, not just luxury cars. Next time you're in a car, give your visor a little tug. You might discover it's hiding a lot more coverage than you thought. Ever find yourself fumbling for sunglasses while driving into the glare? Many cars have a built-in solution you've probably never noticed. Look up near the overhead dome light or map light. That little flip-down compartment isn't just for show. It's a padded sunglasses holder designed to keep your shades safe and within arm's reach. In some vehicles, it's even lined with felt or rubber to prevent scratches. Certain SUVs and minivans double this space as a conversation mirror, allowing parents to keep an eye on passengers in the back without turning their head. It's one of those thoughtful features you won't appreciate until you start using it daily, especially if you're tired of sunglasses getting crushed in the glove box or sliding around in the cup holder. Most drivers think turn signals are either on or off, but modern cars have a lane change function built in. Tap the stalk gently and it will blink 3 to 5 times before stopping automatically. This is perfect for lane changing on the highway, signaling merges, or passing maneuvers where you don't need a continuous signal. It's faster than turning the stalk fully on, and you won't have to manually cancel it afterwards. Manufacturers added this feature to improve safety and convenience, but it often goes unnoticed because there's no big label or instruction in the owner's manual. BMW popularized it, but it's now common on Fords, Hondas, Toyotas, Chevys, and more. If you've been holding your stalk halfway without realizing this shortcut exists, give it a try. It's a small detail that can make driving smoother and safer. Ever get annoyed trying to figure out which side the fuel filler is on in a rental or new car? Look closely at your fuel gauge. That tiny arrow next to the pump icon points to the correct side. But here's another often overlooked detail. Many cars also have a hidden fuel door release inside the cabin, often near the driver's seat or on the floor by the door. It's a theft prevention measure in some markets and a convenience in others. But when you're actually fueling up, check the inside of the fuel door. Some cars have a built-in hook or slot to hold your gas cap while you pump, preventing scratches to your paint or the awkward dangling cap problem. Introduced primarily as a safety feature for children and pets, rear seat reminders are now in many newer cars, but many owners don't realize they exist. If you open up a rear door before starting a trip, the system will chime or display a message when you turn off the ignition, reminding you to check the back seat. It's triggered by door sensors and sometimes weight sensors in the seats. This feature has saved lives in hot climates by preventing tragedies involving children left in vehicles. It's not just for parents, it can also prevent you from leaving groceries, electronics, or valuables in the back. On a hot day, wouldn't it be nice to vent the heat before getting inside your car? Many modern cars, especially Hondas, Volkswagens, Fords, and some Toyotas, let you roll down all the windows remotely using your key fob. Usually, you press and hold the unlock button for a few seconds and all the windows will lower. Some cars even allow you to close them all the same way by holding the lock button. The global window control is rarely advertised, so many drivers never use it. It's a quick way to release trapped heat, especially when your car's been baking in the sun. Ever wish you had a built-in safeguard against creeping past the speed limit? Many cars, especially from Ford, Mercedes, and Toyota, have an adjustable speed limiter or speed warning chime tucked away in the settings menu. The limiter lets you set a maximum speed, and the car will physically prevent acceleration beyond that point unless you deliberately override it. The chime version is a softer approach. It just beeps when you exceed your chosen speed. This feature is perfect for avoiding costly tickets in strict speed zones or while driving through unfamiliar areas. It's also a great tool for lending your car to new drivers, teenagers, or valet services. If you've ever been stuck in stop-and-go traffic or at a long red light, your right foot knows the struggle of keeping steady brake pressure. The auto hold function, available in many newer Hondas, Hyundais, Volkswagens, and BMWs, takes the pain away. Once activated, usually via a dashboard or console button, auto hold keeps the brakes engaged after you come to a complete stop, even if you lift your foot off the pedal. The system automatically releases the brakes when you press the accelerator, making urban driving much less tiring. It's also handy on hills where it prevents rolling backward without having to switch to the parking brake. While this is standard in some luxury cars, it's quietly built into many budget-friendly sedans and SUVs. You just have to turn it on. Many drivers spend hundreds on aftermarket dash cams, but here's the secret. Some cars already have one built in. You just don't know it. Brands like Tesla, BMW, Hyundai, Kia, and even some new Subarus have a feature that uses the car's existing cameras, often the same ones used for parking assist or lane keeping, to record driving footage. For example, Hyundai's Drive Recorder and Tesla's Sentry Mode let you capture front, side, and rear views straight onto a USB drive plugged into the car's port. This isn't just for accident evidence, it's great for recording scenic road trips or keeping an eye on your car when it's parked. The feature is usually buried in the infotainment system settings under Vehicle, Safety, or Convenience menus. The best part, you get high-quality, wide-angle video without messy wiring or extra hardware. If your vehicle's manual mentions anything like surround view recording or drive recorder, you might already have your dash cam and not even know it. Ever end up stranded because your automatic won't shift out of park or neutral when your car's battery dies or if the electronic shifter fails? Many vehicles have a hidden emergency shift override, a life-saving backup. Usually concealed beneath a small cover near the gear shifter, this manual release lets you shift into neutral even without power. You simply insert your key or a blunt tool and press, unlocking the shifter so you can roll your car to safety or out of traffic. This tiny mechanism can save you from a costly tow or stressful roadside situation. It's an old-school solution for modern electronics, and very few drivers know it's there, so check your owner's manual now before you ever need it. Tired of squinting through dirty, mud-splattered headlights after driving through rain or grime? Certain models, like the Audi A4 and A6 with xenon lights, Range Rovers, and Volvo XC60 and XC90, feature auto headlight washers. When the brights or wipers are activated, a tiny spray nozzle pops out, usually located just below the headlight, and blasts the lens with washer fluid. It's a small hidden system that keeps headlights clean and ensures you maintain maximum brightness in poor weather and on muddy roads. It's a subtle feature that makes a big safety difference. Many drivers don't even realize their car can do this until they really need it. And there you have it, 12 hidden car features that most drivers never even realize they have, yet can make driving safer, easier, and sometimes even a little more fun. Whether it's a secret button that lets you bypass a dead battery or a hidden setting that keeps your headlights crystal clear in bad weather, these little-known tricks can be the difference between a stressful drive and a smooth one. The crazy part? These features are sitting in the cars right now, just waiting for you to use them. No expensive upgrades, no aftermarket gadgets, just factory-built secrets that could save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle, if you actually know they exist. So the next time you get in your car, take a closer look. You might be surprised by what you find hidden in plain sight. If you've learned something new today, or just discovered your car can do something you never expected, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into the car tips, hacks, and secrets that every driver should know. Drive smart, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.